when we do this exercise, we really have to pay attention to the sounds of the stressed word, the key word. So if I start from the beginning and I say, is Boston in the east or the west? Not too good, right? Is Boston in the east or the west? Now can you hear the key words? Yeah. East, west. All right, we know we're the city Boston, and then we have the two directions. Is Boston in the east or the west? You hear la or la. Good, all right. Is Montana in the north or the south? That's a choice. Is Montana in the north or the south? Right? Do you hear those? If I say, is California on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean? I'm stressing Atlantic and Pacific. Now pay attention. Be careful. Don't say this. Is California on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean? That's not right. Do you understand? Do you hear the difference? Try to hear the difference where I'm stressing the two that are different. Pacific Ocean or Atlantic Ocean. These are the two different oceans. I don't need to stress the word ocean because both of them are oceans. How is it different? Pacific is different from Atlantic. So that's the key word, Pacific, and the other one is Atlantic. These are the key words that you want to make longer, stronger, clearer, and higher than the other words. Of course, we have California. So we have, is California on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean? That's our choice, right? All right, just listen. You're practicing listening. You're trying to train your ears right now. We'll practice pronouncing later. Now, don't answer the question, but tell me, what are the key words in this sentence? Are there mountains in Colorado or Kansas? Mountains, Colorado, Kansas. Right. All right, so mountains, Colorado, Kansas. Are there mountains in Colorado or Kansas? Listen to the next one. Tell me what the key words are. Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Ohio, east, west. All right, watch. Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Okay, I know it's related to Indiana somehow, but I don't remember which direction it is. Is it east or west? Now listen to this one. Is Hawaii an island or a peninsula? What are the key words? Hawaii, island, peninsula. Good. Is Hawaii an island or a peninsula? Is Hawaii an island or peninsula? Is Hawaii an island or a peninsula? Now listen to this one. Which state is a peninsula, Georgia or Florida? What are the key words? Peninsula, and what else? Georgia, Florida. Peninsula, Georgia, Florida. Which state is a peninsula? Georgia or Florida? Which state is a peninsula? Georgia or Florida? Listen to the next one. Which state is bigger, Texas or Oklahoma? What are the key words? Bigger. Texas. Okay, we have bigger, and what else? Texas and Oklahoma. Right. Which state is bigger, Texas or Oklahoma? Which state is bigger, Texas or Oklahoma? All right. Now let's listen to this one. Tell me the key words. Which state is south of Missouri? Iowa or Kansas? Arkansas. Sorry, I'm not reading correctly. Let me say it again. Which state is south of Missouri? Iowa or Arkansas? South? Iowa? Arkansas. Okay. Which state is south of Missouri? Iowa or Arkansas? Which state is south of Missouri? Iowa or Arkansas? All right. How about the last one, number 10? What are the keywords here? Where's Massachusetts? North of Vermont or south of Vermont? Massachusetts. North. South. All right, so where's Massachusetts? North of Vermont or south of Vermont? Where's Massachusetts? North of Vermont or south of Vermont? Where's Massachusetts? North of Vermont or south of Vermont? Okay, good, good, good. So remember that when we have a choice of one thing or another. A choice of one or two, right? You choose from one or two. When we say the first choice, do we use rising or falling intonation? Rising intonation. When we say the second one, do we have rising or falling intonation? Falling intonation. All right, let's go ahead and practice these sentences. Please repeat them after me and pay attention to your intonation. Is Boston in the east or the west? Is Montana in the north or the south? Is California on the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean? Are there mountains in Colorado or Kansas? Is Ohio east or west of Indiana? Is Hawaii an island or a peninsula? Which state is a peninsula, Georgia or Florida? Which state is a peninsula, Georgia or Florida? Which state is bigger, Texas or Oklahoma? Which state is bigger, Texas or Oklahoma? Which state is south of Missouri, Iowa or Arkansas? Which state is south of Missouri, Iowa or Arkansas? Where is Massachusetts, north of Vermont or south of Vermont? Where is Massachusetts, north of Vermont or south of Vermont? All right, very nice. Now you can practice asking and answering your partner.